The trick is holding onto your leaf as you fall. Easier said than done. But best not to return to the nest empty-handed. A leafcutter colony is like a mega herbivore, not dissimilar to an elephant in the Congo, and their impact on the ecosystem is just as important. The ants follow scent trails back to the nest, dodging unexpected obstacles. Leafcutter nest can be up to 8 meters deep and have thousands of interconnected chambers. The workers carry the freshly harvested leaves to special rooms for processing. The leaves are not food, but used to create gardens of fungus, which they feed to their larvae.